Find or read reviews that people are talking about Ankenic Wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, Multimedia Video Box. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Expand the original CarWin CE system to Android 12.0 system. CarPlay wireless adapter has good performance and many functions. 8-core, 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM, guaranteed processing speed. Supports adding different Android applications, supporting 4G internet access, GPS signal reception, Bluetooth phone calls and more. 3-in-1 Magic Box CarPlay wireless adapter. Ankenic CarPlay AI Box. Expand the car radio system into Android 12.0, plug and play. Supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connections. You can continue to use full CarPlay functions, such as GPS navigation, online music play, online video viewing, phone calls, messaging and more. Plug and play. With CarPlay Magic Link, connect quickly and easily in just 3 simple steps. Just plug the adapter into the car's USB port, insert the SIM card or turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone, and connect to the car's Bluetooth. Equipped with 2 connecting cables to meet the different needs of original car USB and Type-C. Only applicable to models with original wired CarPlay. Tip: the first connection will take a little longer, please be patient. Multiple online functions. Real-time online map guides you at any time, whether you are inserting a SIM card or connecting to a mobile hotspot. You can watch your favorite video on YouTube or Netflix, streaming music, and you can install more favorite apps from Google Play Store, such as TikTok and more. Also, it supports to play video and music from TF card. Add more fun to those who ride in the car. SIM&TF card supports nano SIM card, communication standard. LTD-FDD/LTE-TDD, WCDMA, GSM, EDGE supports TF cards up to 128 GB. So you no longer have to worry about insufficient storage space and can enjoy massive memory at any time. Insert the SIM card into the CarPlay box or share your mobile phone's Wi-Fi hotspot with the CarPlay box to watch online videos on Netflix, YouTube, and other applications. Note: SIM&TF card not included. Wider compatible car. Make sure your car must have a wired CarPlay system to use with this CarPlay back adapter. This CarPlay wireless adapter is compatible with 98% of wired CarPlay cars. This CarPlay AI box is not for BMW/Nissan. If you are not sure whether the adapter is compatible with your car model or if you encounter problems while using the adapter, please do not hesitate to contact us at any time. We will reply to you within 24 hours. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important: don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.